I remember the silence when the news fell like rain. The weight of your leaving carved a mark, left a name. In the whispers of the morning, in the breaking of the dawn, your voice is still echoing, though your body's gone. You carried the fire through the darkest of nights, a lantern of truth burning steady and bright. And though we are standing in the shadow of loss, your journey reminds us to carry the cross. And I swear I can hear you in the wind when it sings, in the hush of the evening, in the rustle of wings. Though you've taken your bow, the curtain won't close, for the seeds of your life keep on learning and grow. Rest in peace, your story lives on, like a hymn in the valley, like the rise of the dawn. The angels are singing, but we're holding the song. Rest in peace, you were never gone.